For today's video, I'll be doing a ukulele tutorial for the song You Are My King. The chords for this song is C, F, A minor, and G for the first verse, C, F, C, G for the chorus, and C for the bridge. For the strumming pattern for verse 1, that's down, down, up, chorus, down, 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 up, down, up, and the same thing for bridge. Let's try to do the strumming pattern for verse 1. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. This is the strumming pattern for the chorus. So let's try verse 1. Unforgiven because you were forsaken. I'm accepted, you were condemned. And I'm alive and well, your spirit is within me. For the last line of verse 1, we have to use the chords F, G, and C, like this. Because you died and rose again. Now let's try the chorus. Amazing love, how can it be? You're my king, would die for me. Amazing love, I know it's true. It's my joy to honor you. For the last line, we have to use the chords F, G, and C. In all I do, I honor you. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Also, consider clicking on the notification bell. Remember, let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching.